Want to transform your designs into coloring pages using Canva? Let's dive right in. Start by selecting the design that you'd like to convert into a coloring page. Once you have your design, head over to the BG Remover tool in the toolbox above. You'll notice that the background is now removed from the photo. The next step is to edit the photo. Click on the Edit option to get started. Scroll through the image filters, click on See All, and select the Mono filter. This will start turning your image into shades of white. Feel free to explore the different mono filters available to find the one that suits your needs best. Adjust the intensity of the filter to your liking for a perfect look. To refine your photo into a true black and white coloring page, use the Adjust tool. Increase the brightness and contrast, and focus on the blacks and whites. Play around with these settings until you're happy with the results. And there you have it. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching.